Hi everyone. I'm sorry. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Memorial Day look. I already did my concealer. I'm not going to do foundation, mascara, or eyebrows. I already have videos on how I do those things. So I'm just going to do the eye look for you guys so you can see a look that maybe you want to try, maybe that you want to do. So I'm going to go into my Koloss Sombra Duo, which means double eyeshadow. I'm going to get this brush. Just go into this white shade. I should probably throw this away by now. And just brush it all over. Just to set the powder. Just to set the concealer in place. Next, I'm going to make Colourpop Super Shock Shadow Pressed Pigment in Erotic. With the same brush I used the white, just get some pigment on there. Just start in the crease. Start in the crease, now I'm going to the bottom. Don't worry about the mess I have there. Gonna do the same thing on this side. Starting the crease, going back and forth, windshield wiper motions, then press on the bottom. I'm not going to worry about it because I'm going to blend it out a little bit later. Better in a few minutes. I'm sorry. My voice is acting weird. Now I'm going to get this fluffy brush from Cosmetics and just go in circular motions and windshield wiper motions. Just to blend out. As you can see with the blending, it went from like a red to a pinkish shade, but lighter. You look about even. So now I'm going to go to my L'Oreal color Riche, Get So Over It. But before I go into this white shade here, I'm going to use, where is it? The sheer pigment from e.l.f. and just lightly put it here. Put some more here. And just lightly press it in to where I want it to go. Sorry, I'm using my finger. It's just a whole lot easier than with every other finger. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a densely packed brush. And I'm gonna get this brush and go in with that white shade. I'm gonna grab some of it first. And I'm going to pat it on first, where I put that e.l.f. sheer shadow primer. It really helps if you can see what you're doing without having to look into a phone. And patting and then brushing. Pat and then brush. Pat and brush. Patting will give you a little bit more pigment on top of this sheer eyeshadow primer from e.l.f. as you can see. So if you don't have a setting spray or don't want to use setting spray all the time, you can just use this method. Going back with this brush and just cleaning up around the edges. And then I'm sorry, I'm dropping stuff. Then with a dark green liner from Milani. It's a liquid like eyeliner pencil in 06 green. They probably don't have this anymore. I bought this so long ago. Just gonna go underneath lower lash line ever so lightly. And I'm using this green because it reminds me of the military green, the army green. And Memorial Day is about remembering those who have fallen fighting for the freedom of the United States, those who are willing to fight, and those that are currently fighting. Then I'm getting this brush from Shany Cosmetics, and I'm just underneath, just smudging it a little. I also want, if anyone who is part of the military, army, or has fought, or has family members, I want to say thank you for your service, or thank your family members for their service. And then I'm gonna go into my Mary Kay Play Teal Me More eye crayon. Mary Kay Play eye crayon. and just for some reason I'm putting this on my waterline. Isn't working. Let me try. Okay, so this crayon just so happens to be too big to go with my waterline. I keep dropping everything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this Milani eye pencil. And I don't even know. Had it forever. Let me put it near the mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. So I put this kind of dark blue in my waterline. However, I am not done. I'm going to go into my Naked Cosmetics palette. Naked Cosmetics, yeah. Holographic highlighter palette. Where are your densely packed brush? I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go into this green shade here. And in the middle here, just going to do a halo on the lower lash line. And just spray it out. Same with this eye. I'm going to clean it off my brush. I literally had my brush fall. Clean out the brush again. And blend. Blend. Then I'm going to go back with that same green. Now this is assuming you have your brows done. If not, do them. And I'm going to highlight underneath the brow bone with the green. And I'm going to go into the blue sapphire, which is on the bottom, the middle section. Get it, and then in the inner corner. And since eyes pretty much take away from the attention, I'm just gonna put on a gloss. This is Mary Kay Nourishing lip gloss in Gold Rush. It's very old, like they don't have anymore. I would put this on, however, right now I'm having technical difficulties to open it. It's like goldish white from Makeup Revolution London, Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Lights. So as that's giving me some technical difficulties, I'm going to go back here and get the gold shade and just go like that. And clean off the brush and just blend it out. So these are the eyes. You can make this a bit more, you can make this stand out a bit more, but this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you to those who have served, and whose family members have served. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye. I hope you all have a nice day.